What is going on, everyone? I'm Matt and welcome to my channel, 5 Minute Sup Reviews. On my channel, I give honest and straight to the point reviews. 99% of my reviews are under 5 minutes. Yes, I said that, 5 minutes. So you're in and out with the information you need. And today, you're going to want to stick around for the whole time. If it's 4 minutes or 5, I don't know yet. But this is the most hype pre-workout of 2019. Before I let you know what it is, but you probably know from the thumbnail and title, I just want to give a quick thanks to one of my subscribers / buddies, Sal, Jim Brev, for hooking up with 3 samples of Dark Energy by Magnitude Life Sciences. Yes, got 3 samples here. It's in the plastic baggies. It's how we do in this business. I'm going to run this for 3 days, go through supplement facts here in a minute, and let you know if this lives up to the hype or not. Alright, yep. Got the big printout here, so let's see. You have 1 scoop coming at 30 servings. That's a good number for us. Citrulline malate, 6 grams. Not bad, but that's the only pump ingredient here. I think we all know this isn't going to be a pump-based pre-workout. You have beta-alanine coming in at 3.2 grams. I love that dosage. I love beta-alanine. You got to saturate to take the full benefits of it, which I mean is you can't just take it 1 day or 2 days. You got to take it for at least a month. I take a lot of pre-workouts that have it in it. If not, I'll add it individually because I love it that much. You have L-Taurine at 2 grams. DMAA at 750 milligrams. That's a mood enhancer right there. Then you got caffeine anhydrous at 400 milligrams. That's a solid number. 300 is my minimum, but 400 is even better. All right, you ready for this? You got DMHA at 200 milligrams, and then DMAA at 60 milligrams. Is it true DMAA? We don't know. I mean, it's tough because it's illegal to sell, but you hope, but you just don't know. That's the only thing that's going to be back in my mind when taking these 3 samples. And then you got GABA as well for another mood enhancer at 50 milligrams. That wraps it up. Like I said, it's pretty much a stim / euphoric pre-workout here. And I can't wait to try it. So the flavor is bombsicle. I could care less about the flavor. I just want that performance to be on point. Let's do it. YouTube Nation, do work. It's bombsicle. I get it. Get a little aftertaste to it, but hey, it's not bad. 4 scoopers out of 5. I'll see you in 3 days for the performance rating. I'm finally back with my review on Dark Energy, and you might want to be sitting down for this. I took the 3 samples spread out about a week and a half. I figured this would be the best and honest way of reviewing this. I don't like taking DMAA products back to back to back, so that's why I did that, week and a half time period. The first time I took this was after lunch. I had my standard, chicken, brown rice, and green beans. Nothing too heavy to weigh me down at the gym or soak up all the goodies in this pre-workout. But there wasn't really many goodies in this pre-workout, at least for the first day. I felt a little bit of rush to the energy, the caffeine anhydrous, decent amount. I believe it's 400, but the euphoric feeling, I felt okay. I don't want to say I felt great or out of my mind. I know a lot of people might have, and some people don't. This is my opinion and honest review on this. First day, I was disappointed. Second time I took this, empty stomach. I was fasted. It didn't hit. No. I really didn't feel anything again. Pretty much the same as I did on the first time I took this. And that was, another disappointment. I was like, okay, 2 times. Let's see what the third time. The third time I took this was after my morning shake, which consists of milk, frozen berries, greens powder, collagen, and whey protein powder. So again, nothing too heavy. And again, disappointment. Yep. Thought the third time had been the charm, and it definitely wasn't. Same, minimal euphoric feeling, same little energy. Pretty much no pumps. I could care less about pumps. Like I said in this is, that euphoric and energy, and I didn't get it. Some people get it, some people don't, and I didn't get it. Unfortunately, this was, hyped up, and you're like, yes, this is going to be awesome. And it was a disappointment, I wanted this to work because, a lot of us love those pre-workouts, like me being a stim junkie, and it didn't. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but hey, there's others out there, and I'm looking forward to them. 3 scoopers out of 5. All right, YouTube Nation. Now you know what time it is. Found this review helpful and beneficial, and just delivering honest reviews, hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 minutes up review ride.